So hello all. Today I'm going to explain about my electronics final year project. So the title of the project is Smart Car Parking System. So before going into the working of it, I'll tell you about the components used in it. First of all, at the outer part of it, I'm using an RFID and an LCD display. At the inside part, I'm using two IR sensors and one ultrasonic sensor, one RTC, a potentiometer. So potentiometer is basically used for adjusting the brightness, and what three LEDs are used. Okay, so coming into the working part, at the starting we're going to we'll show an authorized card into it and see the output based on it. So at start it will be showing at the LCD display that welcome and show your card. So when an authorized card is shown, it will say access granted and the name of it and the present time when it is when the car is at the entrance, and they'll also show the vacancy of it. So when the car is gone inside of it, this IR sensors and ultrasonic are used. So IR sensors are basically just to tell that a vehicle is parked there or not. So if I come near it, it will start blinking the light. So when a car is parked into it, it will just indicate with the help of an LED light saying that a car is parked here. So if a car is going backside to hit a wall, so just for that indication, I'm also using an ultrasonic sensor, which calculates the distance between the car and the vehicle, a backside wall and the vehicle, and it will show an LED here blinking, showing that a car is going nearer to the wall and it's dangerous to the driver. So if I go nearer to it, see, this LED will be glowing. So it's indicating that the car is going to hit the backside of the wall. So this is basically the project, and if a person is entering into it and after that it's leaving at that time, they'll be shown into the LCD display that if I show it once more, it'll say the name and it's enter time, what time we have entered into the parking slot, and the number of vacancy will be increased by one. So if an so this is basically implemented in an mall for laborers, for the employees working there. So if this is for I'll show you once more about this project explanation. So first a card will be shown, it'll say the name and access granted, and also show the present time to it and the number of vacancy gone into it. And if an other person, like a second person comes into it, and an other person comes into it and shows the card, it'll say the access granted, the present time, number of vacancy will be 0, and it will be shown as garage full. That means if another vehicle is come and shows an ID card into it, the authorized ID card, it won't be going inside. They'll be telling that the carriage is full, it doesn't have any vacancy slot present there. So that is and if the car, if that person exits from there, it'll say thank you Arjun, the name of the person, entered time, what time they have entered it, and the vacancy will be incremented by 1. And if an unauthorized person comes into the parking slot, it will be shown as if an unauthorized person comes into the parking slot and shows the ID card, it will be showing as access denied, and the car will not be gone inside the parking slot. So this is basically the project working of it, and it is used in malls for to check the people who has entered there, and only this parking slot is only accessible for the employer people, and they can also check these details that what time they have entered into the parking slot and what time they are leaving from the parking slot. So this is about my project of my electronics, and thank you.